Hey everyone, this is CocoaButterCoder. Obviously that's not my real name, but at least on this channel, that's what I choose to go by. You can call me Coco for short though. This is my very first YouTube video on this channel. I'm currently working through Automate the Boring Stuff by Al Swigert, which I would highly recommend if you haven't read it already. And I'll make sure to put the link in the description. So it's a book that teaches Python, and I've tried to learn Python in the past, but schoolwork usually got in the way of me really getting into it. But with school moving online and there being a stay-at-home order in my state, I've really had an opportunity to dig into Python, and I've actually been having a lot of fun. I come from a mostly Java background, and while I would say I have a decent grasp of Java, at least from a college student perspective, I've never felt like I could do as much as I have already done with Python. It's both powerful and really enjoyable. I started looking for recommended coding challenges because that's just the type of person I am. Usually I look for like, a course or a book that I can work through and then try to find challenges that I can do and then get started on some projects. So I turned to r/Python and r/Python education, and the Python challenge really stuck out to me. I'm used to doing like algorithmic type questions from either coding competitions that I've done or like HackerRank or Project Euler type problems, but the Python challenge just seemed really different because it was very practical comparatively. So when I eventually got stuck, I started looking up solutions in those subreddits and just online in general. And I was actually kind of surprised by how little activity there was surrounding it. So I eventually turned to YouTube, and there was only one guy documenting his solutions, and that was John Hammond. He has this really good playlist on Python Challenge, but he hasn't posted a video since 2018, even though there are more challenges that he hasn't done. So I reached out to him, both on I commented on a video, and I actually sent him a message on Twitter, and he said that he considered making more videos, and that he put on his list. But I just thought to myself, why wait? I could try these problems myself, especially since when I ran through them all, I was mostly watching and not actually coding along, and I could post them. So compared to John, I'm definitely less experienced, but maybe it'll benefit someone to see a beginner try to solve these problems and just approach it in a slightly different way. Plus my videos would be in Python 3 and not 2, so that's a bonus as well. So that's what I'll be doing here, posting my solutions to the Python challenge. I hope these find someone who appreciates them. I'll try to post a challenge once a week, looking like every Wednesday. And today I'll be posting 2. This one and then the video for level 0. So thank you, and catch you guys in a few.